I have made it to the motherland, man. I definitely appreciate you having me today, man.
We got the Escalade V right there.
Man, see,
we got the yours right here, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
This vet I had in Houston.
This look like it don't even get driven no more, do it? Bro, look at the Tony Montana stairs right now. This is crazy. Bringing me down memory lane, man. If y'all remember the old schools, man, all my original subscribers, man, you guys remember, dog. Man, the one with the oohs and the ahs, man, the one on them gold things. They didn't want me to get rid of this one, but I ain't gonna lie, the Elko is nice. What we got here? Let me see. Let me back up. Oh my God, I see yellow. I see tan with the you got the Ricky tan SVJ.
The regular.
I'm guessing the Tesla is the Big Daddy one too.
Oh wait, we're missing two cars. Yeah, and the TRX.
Oh my God.
This is your first time?
First time in a Cybertruck.
Beast mode.
Beast mode. Oh, he said activate beast mode. Let's see what we got. Oh my God, it feels like a roller coaster. What the heck? Bro, there is no way the SVJ is messing with this car. All right, man, y'all know what time it is, man. I just pulled up to my boy JP house, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Come on, let's check him out and see what he got going on, man. I'm here at the very own, man. The stuff y'all see on YouTube, I have made it to the motherland, man. I'm with Mr. JP himself, Mr. The Man of the Man. Trench Family live in the flesh, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. I'm sure y'all subscribe to his other channel, all the channels, man. What's going on, man? How you feeling today, man?
Feeling great, baby. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the stage.
Man, I don't know, look. I definitely appreciate you having me today, man.
They didn't see me on this channel before.
They see you on the channel, but they wouldn't even know who they was talking to. That's the thing, man. It's a whole different like game plan now, man. So look, check it out.
Toys outside.
My boy was like, pull up on me, man. I was like, you know what? We about to get it done and see what's about to pop, man. So he gonna show us around a little bit and see what he got, man. See what he came across. Cause when I first met bro, man, they had just flipped his whole fleet over. He brought his cars out to Houston, man. Flipped the whole fleet over on the trailer, right? All his cars flipped over on the trailer.
I'll send you a picture too, so you can put it so you can see.
You feel me?
There's no cap.
And so after that, man, it was just like, you feel me? We attacking again. So look, we back at it. And we here now, man.
We here now. Whoa, you want to see some toys?
Man, let me see where we at, man.
We got a couple, you know, we got the Escalade V right there.
Man, see, and that's not the regular Escalade. We've been riding that like all day. I ain't gonna lie. I think I like that one like the most. Like I've been liking it. I ain't gonna lie.
This the one where I sit back. This will get driven around, and it got speed to it. So if somebody want to pull up next to me and they want to get tested, want to test it, they gonna get.
So the black truck is literally my favorite like car. Anyway, the fact that it's like V, like they don't even understand what size rims is these, by the way, man. I see you on 4Gs, 28s. Oh man, he said you better get your ruler out, man.
Nah, see, that's why you need to be in class, boy. Them 28, where you rule at.
Come on, look, check me out. This is not what's on the side of most of y'all Escalades. That's the V with the oohs and the ahs right there, man. Come on. I ain't gonna lie. When he pulled up on me earlier at the airport, it was looking beastie.
That, huh?
I'm like, that thing look crazy.
You heard it coming up. You already
know. It looked crazy. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm noticing, man, like every car here is like the same color pretty much, man. You got the whole murdered out black fleet going on, man.
Yeah. We got the yours right here, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
It's not black. You said it was black?
It looked black to me right now. I might be colorblind.
It's matte AMG gray.
Matte AMG gray, man. He said, look, bro, it's the actual color, bro. I know it looks black, but it's the matte AMG.
You know what I'm saying? We got the vet right here, you know what I'm saying? This vet I had in Houston.
This look like it don't even get driven no more, do it?
I feel bad.
See, that's how we feeling now, man? Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Look at the Tony Montana stairs right now. This is crazy.
The video don't do it justice. It's bigger in person.
It's definitely bigger in person. See, what they don't know is, bro, we was neighbors. Like, literally.
Now, they know. If they really watch you, then they know. They seen it.
It's crazy to freaking see this, bro. It's insane to me, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm happy for you, man. It's like I want it. It's like I got it, too. Come on, you having it is like I have it. That's what it feels like. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm glad you're here, man, to witness it.
Oh, it's up, man. Give me some more motivation. I need it all. I ain't gonna lie.
So right here, we got the vet, as you can see.
We got the C8 vet, man. Y'all know what the C8 is looking like. Of course, he got it. Was it the AMG black or AMG gray?
AMG gray.
Matte AMG gray on the C8, man, with the oohs and ahs on there, man. Y'all know what time it is. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, of course, he got the Instagram and all the oohs and ahs on there, man. So y'all go tune into the rest of the fleet, man.
I know you got the car.
Oh, this one of them cars you keep open. I bet ain't none of the other like nice cars here just open just like this. This the one the kids play in and all that. That's what it's come to. I love the red Gus. PSP. Look, I told you the kids be here playing. It's a PNP in there.
That's gangster.
I'm telling you, that's player.
I seen the PSP, man.
That's player. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Gangster, yo.
I ain't gonna lie. That's player, man.
PSP, man.
I told you, the kids play in this car, man. His son take it around, man, and he drive it around the property, man.
Crazy.
He got, we on acres right now, man. So
we are on 10 acres right now, and then y'all might know those. Them look a little familiar.
Oh man, you feel me? It's bringing me down memory lane, man. It's bringing me down.
Happened with that or not?
I told him I sold him.
Okay.
I told him I didn't tell him who I sold him to though. I didn't tell him who I sold him to. So if y'all remember the old schools, man, all my original subscribers, man, you guys remember, dog. The old school of the old schools, man, the one with the oohs and the ahs, man, the one on them gold things, the Ruchis, the 24s, the oohs. Oh my goodness. Man, how you been liking it, man? I ain't gonna lie.
I love this car, bro. I just got it back too.
Yeah? So what you do to it so far?
Nah, everything just maintenance.
Just tune it up a little bit.
Injectors, fuel injectors,
Got you.
A little bit of everything.
Little bit of everything. Y'all remember this one. Of course, we got the burgundy insides, fresh, clean interior. Still looking good, man. You still treating it right. I ain't gonna lie. You still doing your thing.
I got a paint correction, like a slight paint. As you can see, the paint even better. Remember, there was like a bullet hole right here, like a little...
He said like a bullet hole. Was it this side or the other side?
Okay,
let's see. Was it the other side? He said like a bullet hole. I'm dying. It was definitely this side.
It's gone.
I think, yeah, it's definitely gone. I think it was this side.
Like a little paint correction.
That's crazy. You definitely treated right because it was gonna sit right on there with me.
And then, you know, the Camino, this baby stock right here.
Oh, man, you know, this was like one of my favorites.
It's been a minute. You know, you gotta show these cars love, man.
Man, how you like the Elko, man?
I love it,
because they didn't want me to get rid of this one, but I ain't gonna lie, the Elko is nice.
I'm glad you did get rid of it to me, though.
No, I wouldn't want nobody else to have it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'd be upset about it.
I feel like if anybody else had it, it wouldn't be running right now.
Man, come on, don't you show me something good, man.
Come on,
let's see if it's gonna start. Is it gonna start or what, man? He said, look, I gotta pump some gas in this joint. I don't even turn this thing on.
Don't, bro. It's been a while.
Man, he just had these cars sitting out. It's looking clean, though. I ain't gonna lie. It's looking clean. He owned the 4Gs, of course. He's looking clean, man. There we go. There we go. We got action. We got action, y'all.
I think we take him on a ride before we show him in there, though. What you want to do?
We can take him on a ride eventually. They know what time it is, man. They know what time it is. They know what these things do. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit too.
He said, man, I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit. You know I don't drive. I ain't gonna start it no more the rest of this year. You know?
And then we got some more toys over here, man. We missing.
Bro, we ain't got no more toys over here. You all out of toys right now. Everything, what you showed us everything, bro.
It's a little bit right here. I got something right here.
Right there?
I got something right here, bro. Hey, this something that this channel for sure they ain't seen from you, or probably they ain't never seen it in person. Ever, you know what I'm saying?
Man, you better show me something good, man.
Something exclusive, man. This is something you only see at the Trench Family Estates, man.
Okay, man. Well, show me something nice, man. Talk to me. Let me see what we got here, man. Come on, man. So he said, I don't want to be in video, man. I'm scared to show myself, man. You know? I didn't know if I could be on camera or not, man. Show me what we got here. Let me see. Let me back up. Oh my God, I see yellow. I see tan with the you got the Ricky tan and the man. Come on, dude. That's how you doing? Bro, I ain't even give them a full view, but they just get a quick little glimpse, man. So this is my question right here. Before we even get into what we got in here, I'm gonna guess, since you got the it looked like an Aventador.
SVJ, yeah.
I can see a little bit of red on the back, so it's a J, right? Yeah, SVJ.
Not the regular.
I'm guessing the Tesla is the Big Daddy one too, the 1,000 horsepower.
Oh wait, we're missing two cars.
Two of them?
And the TRX.
Oh my God.
Come on now, so the TRX, fun fact, is getting done just like the SVJ, same color.
Really?
So when I'm driving this, I got my boys, my security people just following me.
Oh my God, not following you.
Come on.
Man, show me what we got in here, man. Let me see what we got, man.
The Cyber Beast.
The Big Daddy for the Big Daddy. I ain't gonna lie. The color on this is nice.
Regular, bro.
So they don't even know. You told me about this car before you showed this car, man.
Yeah.
You got this wrapped in like less than 24 hours.
5 hours, yeah.
5 hours, and it looks amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you, like
5-hour wrap job, right?
it looks great. I ain't gonna lie.
I need to get it done quick because it was my girl's birthday. I had to get it for her.
You feel me? He got this for his girl, man. So I'm sure she getting a chance to enjoy it and enjoying the color on it. This thing is looking sick, man. How you like it though? You know, we really buy these cars for us.
Bro,
I ain't gonna lie.
This car is, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Fast, bro. Like probably one of the fastest cars.
Yeah.
The way it takes off is just different. Y'all want to see it? Y'all want to go?
Man, we might have to go. I ain't gonna lie. We might have to slide, man. We might have to slide, man. I ain't gonna lie, man.
Come on, man. Let's
Look, he said, let me unplug it from the charger real quick. Yeah, let me see what we got up in here real quick. I ain't gonna lie. We definitely gonna have to slide real quick. That'll be fun.
This is the one. You know,
He said, get in. All right, we gonna have to wait for the SVJ, man. You gotta say the best for last. So I never been in a Tesla Cybertruck, but he said press that button with the light on it, man. So we gonna try to check it out. Ooh, look at the flow on that thing, man.
You know what I'm saying? And this car is different. Like this whole car is ran through right here. As soon as you come in,
got a whole like big screen. We don't want to show no GPS or nothing like that. Nah. But we know it's green, man. This thing.
What
he disappeared, man.
Come on, man.
I ain't gonna lie. I've never been in a Cybertruck before. This is crazy.
This is your first time?
First time in a Cybertruck. First freaking time.
Bro, you're gonna feel something that like you never felt before.
Really? Oh my God.
Oh my
See, I know how we was driving earlier with the ATVs.
Yeah, oh, that was
I
crazy.
could only imagine how this car is.
Right,
Oh damn! Let me get my seatbelt. Fuck with this. Yeah.
We in regular. This is what
We in regular right now. Hey man,
standard
everything
mode.
regular. Y'all know what time it is. Let me see.
Standard.
All right, no address, no nothing. We good. Come on, man. We in standard right now. So what we got to go to Beast to go crazy?
Yeah.
All right, so we
I'm gonna let you do the honors, man. Whenever you ready for that.
Oh man, it's your world, man. You got it.
I got it.
I'm riding with you today, man.
All right, here we go, man. Beast mode.
Beast mode. Oh, he said activate beast mode. Let's see what we got,
I
man.
don't know if you ready for this.
Oh my God. Let me see.
I don't know if
You
you
put
see.
my little seat up a little bit. Y'all can really feel it, man.
Let me get my.
Yeah, come on, man. Look, I'm like, hold on, recording. All right, we green. We still in beast mode currently, brand new. Cyber. Oh my God, it feel like a roller coaster. What the heck? Bro. Oh my goodness. Bro. Now that, hey, the SVJ, there's no way the SVJ is messing with this
A
car.
lot of cars are not messing with this car.
Bro, there is no way the SVJ is messing with this
a
car.
lot of cars are not messing with this
Like,
car, bro.
just the
This
fact
car
that that thing is
fat.
rear wheel drive or whatever.
Yeah.
Bro, this thing took off like a roller coaster. I'm not gonna hold you.
Yes,
Bruh.
fat, bro.
That thing is insane.
This car's different, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. You wouldn't even need another car with this one.
Bro, I got the charger at the house. I don't pay for charge.
Bro.
Because obviously, you know, it goes through my
Yeah,
electricity.
yeah.
I really, this is everything. You don't need nothing else. This car, they put it to the test, bro. Like, it was a Cybertruck versus a Ford 150. This car beat it in every level.
Bro.
Every level.
That thing took off. I'm still, my heart's still like tight beating. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. Like, it was quite
I love this
insane.
car, bro. I love this
Man,
car,
we
bro.
got a long little stretch. Oh my goodness. And look, I'm not even exaggerating when I talk, bro. That's really how I feel right now. Like, oh my goodness. Bro, this is insane. Insane. We gonna have to blur out some numbers, but bro, this thing looks good. Look at how I got the beast mode on the side of the freaking. Bro, this thing is fast. Oh my God.
Fine, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, that this Cybertruck is huge.
Yeah.
And to go that fast, bro, it's crazy.
It's crazy, bro. This is whooping any, like, most cars. This is the fastest.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, this whooping everything out, like everything.
Yeah.
The fact that it just take off and don't spin,
No, yeah, no spinning, just.
like it's out of there, bro. You
like
can't
a
mess
bullet.
with this car. I
Oh,
ain't
and
gonna lie.
I got the self-drive, too. I
Yeah?
paid for that,
Have you tried it yet?
I have, yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
do it really work good? Or
It
you
works
scared
good,
of it?
but you have to keep your hands on it, or if not, because every time I've used it, I've kept my hands off, so you
Oh,
take it
okay.
away.
Wow.
You only get five warnings.
Got the 5 warnings and
I
it's
got-
a wrap.
I already got 2, so
Ain't do no more self-driving.
they'll just refund you your money or whatever.
That's crazy. Look, bro, we don't want. Y'all hear it in my voice? I ain't gonna lie, this thing is hard. This thing made me want a Cybertruck.
Yeah, bro,
thing
this
is
car,
dope.
and then you got the TV right here, you know.
But I didn't even know they had a TV back. Like I said, I never been in one of these things before. This thing is sick. Oh yeah, this hard.
Bro.
I ain't gonna lie, this hard.
You know, we got the look off-road.
Oh yeah, we can do off-road. So you took this in your backyard yet?
I haven't.
Oh! I ain't gonna lie, dog. Like, the pull on this car is totally insane. Like, just crazy fast. Like, I've never been in nothing this fast.
This is definitely the fastest car in my
I've never been in nothing this fast. It literally sits you back in your seat, man. Y'all know what time it is. We just pulled up to the Tony Montana Estates, the JP Estates, man. Come on, man. Y'all know what time it is. We out here sliding the Cybertruck. Yeah, this thing is you did this. How she like it, man? Cause you know you got this for your girl. You know we having a ball, man. But this your girl. Well, look, we having too much fun, huh? Well, she was like, get out my car. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie.
You got missing, bro. You missed the ride,
You
bro.
playing, man.
We was looking for you, man.
You playing.
Man. Come on.
I ain't gonna lie. In the backyard, this shit would go crazy. Take this bitch to the dirt. The fuck. This thing is insane, bro.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that for my channel. If y'all want to see that, go to my
You
channel.
definitely gotta do it on
I'm
your
gonna
channel.
off-road on my channel for sure.
You definitely gotta do it on your channel. Look, you're like, hey, bro, I'm gonna give you a taste of this. I'm gonna say the good shit from my channel. Look, I gave you a taste though, man. We'll be waiting for it, y'all, man. Y'all tuned in to bro page, man. If y'all wanna see more on the Cybertruck, this thing is a freaking beast. I'm not gonna lie, like this, it really just turned my whole perception of everything with this Cybertruck today.
Exactly, and everybody talks so bad about it, but once they get in it, once they see it, then they see the world like, oh my
bro,
god.
it's
So
sick.
it's the fastest truck in the world. Then it's faster. Like I said, it takes off way faster than my SVJ.
Bro.
Probably not on the long run.
Oh, yeah.
Take off,
This thing, it sits you back, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie. This Tesla truck is really like the best. I'm like gonna start looking into one now at this point.
There's no better car. Bulletproof too. Did I forget to tell you?
It is bulletproof.
Not the windows, but all London.
We ain't took it to the back and shot nothing yet. Man, God, he said not on this one, man. On mine, I'm gonna do mine, but my girls, you know, I'm gonna let her be, man, you know?
This is bulletproof right here. All this.
Nah, that's crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie. This truck is nice.
You know what I'm saying? Got the.
Let's see, cause like I said,
Next to the truck right here.
with the
One button, one
little
push of the
fake little pickup, I ain't gonna lie. You gotta
fake
sit,
pickup,
you gotta sit something back here. This thing is nice. It's different.
Open all this stuff up, it turns into camper mode. You make it like.
Really?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. This
Buy
shit
it.
different.
When I ordered this truck, it was like an option to put it, to order.
Yeah.
Yeah. The car goes into tent mode.
I ain't gonna lie. This thing is
Bunch of
different. It got
stuff.
LEDs on the side. Oh wow, you got storage everywhere. Yeah, this is insane.
Yeah, this car's in.
I like this. So what color? Oh, it's the silver one, duh.
This is a latte.
This thing is nice. Metaled up, you know. Tesla Cybertruck down. Got the little baby feet on the back of the seat, man. Y'all know what time it is. This thing cool, man. I ain't gonna lie. For my first time seeing one in person, this was a hell of a first timer.
Yeah.
A hell of a first timer, that's for sure. Yeah, I see it, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Cybertruck in the comments below, man. If y'all think the Cybertruck can beat the SVJ that we have not checked out just yet, y'all let me know in the comments right now, man. It's a movie.